Hello and welcome back to the kitchen for another very merry Keylink Christmas video. Today we're going to show you how to make apricot chai cookie dough bars with a modern Christmas tree design. For the full recipe and step-by-step guide, click the link in the description below. We wanted there to be a little flutter of snow under the trees, so to achieve this we made a simple stencil out of a glassine sheet. First we drew around the curvy snacking bar mould and marked the cavities. Then about 3 centimetres from the top of the cavity, we drew a curved line about 1.5 centimetres thick and cut this out. Next, we use Roxy & Rich white agate to give the snow a bit of sparkle and a toothbrush to create the snow effect. We chose 6 Roxy & Rich colours for the tree, yellow jasper for the star, and then ruby red, lime green, blue sapphire, orange garnet and aquamarine for the baubles. We poured a little of each colour onto a glassine sheet in the order we wanted to show, and let them cool just a little so that the dots don't run. We chose 3 different sized dotters for the tree, the largest dotter for the star, and a medium and a small for the baubles. We've done a 5-tiered tree here, including the star, but you can be as creative as you like with this design and make a larger or smaller tree. To finish the tree, we used purple garnet with a small dotter to give it its trunk. Once the dots have set, we then sprayed the mould with Roxy & Rich green crystal for a shimmery festive finish. We then shelled with Valrhona Araguani 72% dark chocolate before starting on the fillings. For our first top fruity layer, we made an apricot pate de fruits. To make this, we use Ravifruit apricot puree, lime juice, pectin and sugar, and brought to the boil before adding the remaining sugar and glucose and taking the mixture to 107 degrees. We then added the tartaric acid. We left this to cool before piping into our shells. For the middle layer, we have a chai cookie dough ganache. We created this by making a white chocolate ganache with Valrhona Ivoire and added chai spice drops and vanilla seeds for that Christmassy spice. We then made a cookie dough with butter, sugar and flour before mixing the two together to make a nice firm bite ganache with a unique cookie dough texture. For the final layer, we wanted to balance the bar by adding a hard biscuit base. This takes you on a lovely journey from the soft pate de fruits through the firm cookie dough to a delicious crunchy base. First we grind our biscuit crumb using a blitzer. We've used feuilletine in this recipe, however you can use your imagination and choose any biscuit or cookie crumb of your choice. We then temper our chocolate and cocoa butter. We've used Valrhona Tanariva 33% here to give it the biscuit shortbread flavour. We browned the butter to remove the water content, and we've added this to our chocolate mixture. Stir and add the biscuit crumb before piping into the moulds and capping with chocolate. We wanted to create something extra Christmassy here, but we know time is often an important factor to any business. So here is our simple bonbon decor idea. Using white agate, we spray a bit of snow into the mould with a toothbrush and a simple swirl of green crystal with a cotton bud before shelling with dark chocolate. This can then be filled in the exact same way and creates a beautiful shiny Christmas treat. Once set, both bars and bonbons can be packaged in our range of recyclable and personalised boxes, though it's important to note that the bars need to be individually bagged for the box you see in this video. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.